Then you restore the, you see that? Put the plate on top. Sir, ये पहिया सबसे best है. Sir, I want to explain this chakra. Inside 8 spokes. Inside the 8 spokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 spokes indicate a division one day, 8 part of the day. That's called prahara. Sir, each prahara called 3 hours. 8, 24 hours. Sir, what you do day 12 or what you do night 12? What is your routine? Your routine fiction rule. आपका 24 घंटा का रूटीन इसमें बनाया. सर कितना हजार सोच कितना अच्छा था देखिए. सुबह की लेडी बेड से उठ के अंगड़ाई ले रहे. लेडी राइजिंग ऑन द बेड. Second one bath to dash 2 sides. Third one hunting city on horse. Fourth one makeup. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 hours. Indicate day work. Please try to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is night activity. Night activity. Sexual.
What time for